Welcome. We will talk now about the price builder and the accelerator package of price list management and price setting, which is utilizing the functionality of the price builder and is normally done after analyzing all information and adjusting now the strategies as well as the price points accordingly. Pricefx offers the possibility to build up global list prices, which can be considered an anchor for the regional price lists. So global prices are normally calculated based on a certain strategy. These strategies can be various different ones, can be anchor prices, competitor-based prices, cost-based prices, and so on. And according to the global price list, which is generated, country-specific price list can be set up. So in our situation, we are looking on the country-specific price lists for the chemical industry. And we see that we have prices for Germany, which is valid for the first half of the year 2020, which is already approved. And we see that we have another price list for Germany for the second half of the year, which is not approved yet. So let's enter the second half of the year price list and check for the price proposals which are offered by the system based on the strategy we decided on initially. In this price list we see 10 products in this situation, and we see that these products are based on a certain pricing point. So we are referring here to a global price list, and the global price is set up in this situation based on a cost plus approach. And we are adjusting this price with a country-specific adjustment up to €3.77. The previous price was much higher, and we also see that the country adjustment is 1.5% in this current situation. The current margin, which would be produced by the price point we are seeing here, would be 21%. And we can also see what the global list price is. We see what the list price corridor is looking like, and we see which kind of prices were calculated and which competition data we might be facing. So we see that in this situation, the first priority of pricing is basing the price on the global price. In this situation, this is okay, so we can do that because we have a global price and we have a country-specific adjustment. Second priority would be going down to average competition, but in this situation we don't find any competitor prices for this product. And the third priority is just pricing it on cost plus. So let's say we want to increase prices for Germany. In this situation, Pricefx is offering the possibility to build up or use so-called price parameters. And these price parameters give us the possibility to manage and maintain price setting without having to deep dive into any hard coding. So in Pricefx we are building up parameter tables, and in the accelerator package these parameter tables are included to support the pricing strategy of our clients. So first of all, we can see which kind of pricing strategy is defined. So we can define, for example, per business unit, per product group, per product classification, which kind of strategy is applied. So for example, for beverages and bundles we want to do kit pricing. For beverages and spirits we want to price ourselves based on the maximum competition if the product is in our classification A. If it's in the classification B, we want to go down to average competition, and if it's the product classification C, we want to sell on the recommended retail price. These strategies can be changed in a matter of clicks. So I can change this to anchor pricing, down to average competition, cost plus, kit pricing, maximum competition, minimum competition, general price increase strategy, promotion strategy, or the recommended retail price. All these strategies are then linked to an additional parameter tables where I can set up the corresponding thresholds. So for example, if I'm favoring a cost plus strategy, I can go ahead and select my cost plus parameter table. And I can see that for the specific business units, for the different product groups, for the different product classifications, different various target margins are defined and applied by the calculation logic according to the priority of logics which I have defined in my price strategy. In our current example, what we wanted to do is we wanted to adjust the price increases which are done based on the global reference price down to a country-specific price, in this situation for Germany. Therefore we can go ahead, select the country level adjustments, and we can filter for Germany. Now we can see in this table called German country adjustment that we are currently facing a 1.5 increase for all products which are not in our product group meatballs. So let's increase this to a nice 25%. The adjustment in this table will cause, with the next recalculation of our price list, an adjustment. So currently we are facing for this specific product a price point of €3.77 with a country adjustment of 1.5%. Going back by the price list and recalculating it, the changes which we have done in the parameter table will now be applied in the price list. The price list is now ready after recalculation, and if we are entering it again, we see that the new price proposal is €4.64, and the country adjustment is 25% now. So let's say we are happy with our price proposals and we want to increase these prices and also execute these price changes in the field. Therefore, in PriceFX we have to run through an approval workflow, so the status of this price list switches from not approved yet to approved. And therefore we can take this price list and we can submit it into a workflow which can be specified in addition. I will submit the price list now, and in the next video we can see how the workflow might be set up and how he can processed by the users, either using the UI or an email escalation path, which is also included in the current solution. So I submit it now, and the next step we will see in the next video.